in question. Put the equation for that graph. So I'm going to go ahead and get my calculator out. Turn it on twice because it's a TI. There it is. No, still not turning on. Try it again 3 times. How about 4 times? There it is, 4th time with the charm.
It's the computer's fault.
Yes. Can't possibly be the software's fault. You know what's funny? The software won't even let me type in numbers.
Genius. I don't know how I got that. 1.4 or what?
Okay, y equals. I'm assuming that I just gave you the same equation all the time.
No, I just said that like 1.4, 1.5 would be too easy to guess. So I'm guessing it's because I knew it was going to be on the bottom half. So I'm like, I'm going to try 1.4. Logic.
It's good to know your logical guessing skills. Maybe intuitive that was the square root of 2. Oh, that wasn't right. All right, looking for zeros. Where are the zeros? So, first thing you do is inspect. By inspection, it's about negative 1.5, about positive 1.5, and dead on 4, right? So that'd be one way I could do it, just by looking at the graph. Second thing I could do, I could trace it. Tracing is not a bad skill to have in your bag of tricks, so I'm going to remind you what it is now, even though some of you are never going to use this skill because it requires actually thinking. But TI people will, of course, use it because it's great. So I'm going to right arrow my way to the answer. Look right there. Boom. It's between 1.38 and 1.49. Okay, so depending on which is nearest 10th, 1.4, 1.3 are the two I'm interested in right now. So far, so good? Back row good? Okay. Now, those are fun, but those are the wasted time buttons because you guys always want to do something different. So if you have a Casio, you're going to do the following. You're going to hit the button. You're going to ask for root. You're going to hit G Calc, same one you hit before. You ask you to find the roots. It'll give you the first root, then you right arrow and give you the second one. Right arrow again gets you the third one. That's how you solve in 2.2 seconds. If you have a TI, you get to spend a little more time with your buttons because it's quality time, and we like spending quality time on our calculator. So it's going to ask you when I go second function.